Back again, back again. What do I got left here? I got 1, 2, 3, 4 more songs to do today. I should knock them out here pretty quick. So which one first? Tom Petty, Beatles. Let's do Tom Petty first. Mary Jane's Last Dance. I used to play this song back in Osborne Village in Winnipeg in the coffee houses. A couple times we thought we were gonna die. It was pretty bad. It was fun as hell too. Back in the old glory days. So let's just play it so you can see. My variation take on it. The chords in the chorus are actually different than normally, but I had to find something that would work because we don't have what we need. So, to my ear, and if you got somebody singing along, I'm pretty sure those chords will fill in pretty nicely. So, and I don't know if you noticed, my thumb stayed in the same spot the whole time, like a freaking toad looking over. Didn't move it once for that whole song. And the reason I keep it there is because you want to do a hammer-on into the B minor. But the hammer-on can't be open. It has to be first fret. So that's where the song starts. Just come in closer. So let's go through the chords first. You got your B minor, you got your A, you got your E. That's it for this version. In the real song, if you're playing it with a guitar or something, there's more chords. But for this version, that's all you're going to use. So you start with the B minor, and like I said, you hammer on. I don't know if you guys are that comfortable playing with your thumb or not, but that's the way I do it. I'll try to show you another way of doing this without doing it. But for the very first note, I like to hammer on both those strings, the low and the second. So if you don't comfortable playing with your finger or with your thumb, you could just hammer on the second. It would work as well. So you start there. That's an A, but I'm not playing that note yet. I'm just playing the top two strings. That's how I always do the intro. Just playing. Maybe I should do it without my thumb just so you can see. And there you go, it screws up. So B minor. So that's all your verses. Now for the chorus, the way we're doing it on the Merlin is just an E and a B. Mind you, I've actually switched it. I don't do the full B anymore. I just do the B minor. So you finish that, you go straight into an E. So I'm doing a B minor there, but then I'm lifting on the second string to an open. So we'll slow it down, we'll do the 2 lines of the verse, we'll do the chorus, and then we'll come back into the verse, just so you can see the transitions. That's not too bad of a song, especially if you've got your transitions down and you know your chords. You can pretty much go straight into it. The hardest part is that hammer on at the beginning. And you go from there, you should be fine. So if I did Tom Petty, that would mean Beatles are up next. Oh, this is a fun one. Anyways, that's it for this one. We shall see you in 2 seconds.